want to show you a quick little thing on the Chevy Equinox 2019 and 2020. This is how to find the spot where you fill up the windshield wiper fluid in your vehicle for those who are not got their hands inside an engine compartment all the time. So I'm going to go out there and show you real quick. I've already got the engine compartment open in this 2020 Chevy Equinox. I'm going to go out there and show you right where the port is, and I'm going to actually put some windshield wiper fluid in it. So here we go. All right, this is my preferred stuff, so I'm going to use some of this right now. All right, here's our engine compartment. And we want to look for a clear plastic vessel. There's a couple right back there. So we got 3, and they all got lids on them, and they all say stuff on the lids. This one is the one we're looking for. This is the windshield wiper vessel, and that's the lid. These others are for other things like power steering fluid and brakes. We're not going to touch those. So we're going to open this cap up, and we're just going to pour this stuff right inside. Pay no attention to the mess. You don't fit in an egg. Got the right angle on it. Alright, we got room for a little more. Alright then, so that's it. Just put what you can in there and put the top right back on, and you're ready to go. All done.